it's Becky Boo here, and today I am doing 3 science experiments. I don't want to make this intro too long because I don't want to make the video too long because then you have to sit through a long video. So yeah, let's get started. First experiment is running water. What you'll need for this experiment is Scotch tape, or really any kind of tape. In this case, I'm using Scotch. You'll need 2 cups. It doesn't matter what type of cups they are. I'd probably not use glass because it might break. It could if you drop it. Because you're going to need to hold 2 cups. So yeah. So I'm using, this one's plastic and this one is, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know. And then you'll also need scissors, some string. I'm using pink because that's all the string I could find. And in this cup I have water, and you should dye it because you probably won't see the water on this. So yeah. And also, you'll also need a bucket. I'm using a big bucket, and you may need this for all the experiments. I said may, okay? And then you will also need one more thing, and that is a other cup of water. First thing you can do is cut the string. I cut it at a certain amount, and you can cut it as long as you want it to, or as long or short. And then next, you're going to take your bucket. I have water in my bucket, so yeah. And then you're going to dip your string in, like wet the whole thing. You might get your hands wet, but that is okay. You can just try them later. So, and then you can just slide your hand down the string to get off all the water. Okay. Then we're going to take, I'm putting that there for now. Then I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to cut off a certainable amount. I'm going to tape it onto the string, attaching to the string. And then I'm going to take the tape and the string and place it in the cup with the water in. Then I'm going to put the bucket under it in case the water spills, because I actually never tried these. This is why I'm doing it on camera. And then I'm going to take the other end. Wait, I messed that up. Sorry, don't do that. And then I'm going to tape this end to the one without the water. So, like so. And then I'm going to take this part of the string, the end part of the string, and put it onto this cup, and I'm going to need to hold it down. So now I'm going to put it in, and actually start here, start pouring it, and then diagonally start. The second experiment, which you will need, oh, by the way, the second experiment is called defying gravity with water. So yeah, what you'll need for that one is a bucket. Well, I'm doing it over a bucket because if it doesn't actually work, then it would go all over the counters. Like the last one. The last one did not work. And I got all of these science experiments from the exact same guy. So I don't know if any of them are going to work. But they were in different videos. So I don't know if any of them are going to work. Who knows? Okay, anyways, the next thing is you'll need is cardstock or card or... Okay, you can use paper, but you can't just use paper. You need to like stack the papers up so you have like a thick amount because it does not work. Or you could use cardboard or a piece of, that it's like paper, but it's thicker paper. You can use cards. I think it's called cardstock, something like that. Yeah. So that's what you can use. I'm using cardboard. And then you'll need a glass and water. I'm using a wine glass because you need to hold the top, and it might be a little harder with our actual cup holding the bottom because it's bigger. So yeah, I'm just using the wine glass. So I'm going to put my bucket here. The first thing you do is put your bucket there. Put the cardstock in my hand, flat. My hand. It's kind of bendy though. It's like really badly bent. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to take my wine glass right here. At the start, it may start to spill because, okay, I'm going to dip like... That was not expected. But the third experiment is actually called running peppers, basically. But I have a feeling this one may work. The first two did not. And if these all do not work, never watch the guy's channel. His name is... Actually, I'm not going to say his name. I don't want to point fingers. Yeah, anyways. So what you will need for this third experiment is a bowl with water, and there's water in the bowl, but you can't see. And then you'll also need pepper, lots and lots of pepper. And you'll also need, I'm using this, the bucket's actually optional for all of them, but I had a feeling the first two wouldn't work. And you'll also need dishwashing liquid. Or just any type of soap, really, to put on your finger. Anyways, so first off, what you have to do, I have it in the bowl. I'm sorry for that, but I don't want it to turn out like the last ones and not work. So I'm going to put you guys there. Can you guys see? Okay, you can, but you can't here. Now can you? Okay. So now you're just going to pour the pepper kind of on the top of your thing, and it's going to go everywhere. You got to try to cover the whole top of your bowl. I think that's what the guy said, but I mean, you could be wrong yet again. But I mean, I'm there. That's probably good enough. And by the way, this may make you sneeze. And that's why I wanted to have this bucket, because it kind of just spilled all over in the bucket. But, oh well. Okay, so I got it all on the top. Now I'm going to lift this up, or it's already lifted. I'm going to pour a little tiny dab. Oh, that's more than a dab. Okay, oh well. I mean, whatever's best. Not working, look. Like literally. Let's retry that. I actually want this to work, no joke. Let's try it again. My hand's slippery. Come on. Work this time, please. Not filling the whole top this time because, kind of wasted the last time. I may need to sneeze. Probably. Okay, now I'm gonna dab a little tiny bit this time. There, I dabbed a little bit. Now, see if this works. Ready? Let's see the reaction. It does not work. Thanks a lot, whoever you are. I cannot say his name for reasons. I literally hate this guy now. I'm never doing an experiment again. That's it. Because they clearly do not work. Clearly. I just sneezed again. Not good. But clearly these experiments do not work. It's the worst. Anyways, do not like this video. No, I'm joking. Like it, and comment down below what I should do next, and subscribe to our channel, TBK Goofballs. Just do it. Yeah. And also subscribe to my own channel, Becky Boo. And I'll see you next time. Remember, I'm on every Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays.